the most lawless institution you can think of in Nigeria is the police. Talk to any Nigerian. Every Nigerian you talk to about their experience with police is the same story. It's the same brutality. In fact, I like one of the reasons the former illegal IG was removed or was advised to go was because of journalists in Nigeria blackmailed police. Because the way they brutalize journalists, even when people are doing peaceful protests, journalists come to cover them. It would be as if they have seen their sworn enemies, because these people would, publicize what is going on and what is happening, and they would attack them, scatter their cameras, destroy everything. So it's just horrible.
Definitely, I've said it severally on this platform that police is not okay. And the very first thing they tell you when they come to deal with you is that that police is not okay. And once they mention that, they want to make you to loosen your guard, and then they will start brutalizing you. You catch a kidnapper, take the kidnapper to the police station. Police will beat you up, lock you up, and release the kidnapper. Personal experiences that I have had. In fact, my own sister, who has the case in Nigeria, went to the police station, and the police decided, no, we have to take this case to court. My sister called on the day that the police told her that we are supposed to go to court, and the police told her that she needs to give them money. That was when she realized that, without giving you money, this case will not end up in court. So at the end of the day, you are being brutalized, you are being exploited by the police, and then the same police will tell you that they are your friends. No security agency in Nigeria is your friend. In fact, the reason why people respect the police is not out of love or a respect for them. It is out of their brutality. That's why people respect police, because without that brutality, the institution of Nigerian police is a very corrupt institution that shouldn't exist at all. I must ask this question because I don't know. What is the minimum requirement for a Nigerian police officer? Because if they don't know the difference between criminal and civil matters, that's a basic thing that a policeman should know, and at least inform the minister that, Oga, see, this thing is not a police matter. It's a waste of resources. It's a waste of our resources. And it is even a crime in Western societies for you to use the security agencies for the purpose for which they are not set up.
Yeah, I saw in 2012, one of the senior police officers in England was, dismissed because he used the police because he used his position to, intimidate somebody who did a work for him and was asking for his money. A similar thing here. And he just one statement he made. He said, "Do you know who I am?" And that was it. And the fact that he intimidated because of his position. He intimidated the person who worked for him, and that was how he was dismissed and disciplined in the right way. But in Nigeria, because it's this famous quote, "Do you know who I am?"
Do you know who I am?
Has dealt so many blows on us.